Doing a fan relay connector replacement on a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which will be under the passenger headlight, and it's gonna be the connector we're replacing. So it should be here. Here's the relay and here's the connector. It's already been unplugged to make it easier, but this we're basically replacing because as here you can see it's already all burned up right there. We're replacing it. This is brand new one right here, original, so it's good to go along with the connectors, which I'll do right now. Basically all we have to do here is strip these wires back and put these bad boys on. These connectors right here are gonna go here, and then connect these right in there, all original. Now just to pop this bad boy into place, push that clip through so it locks, and I just electric taped it so I don't have to worry about no moisture getting into those connections. And we'll see how it works right now. And one thing I couldn't forget, putting the light back on, and it just has that one main deep long screw that goes in there, and just tighten it up and it's all good. Alright, just turn on the Jeep, and the fan just turned on, so it is in perfect working condition. So now I've already installed the new radiator plus the relay and the relay connection, so it's all good, and that's about it.